Morning guys, in front of me is Realme Note 60 and let me show you how to add photo to contact. At first, open your phone dialer. Now select the contact that you want to add this profile picture to, mark edit icon at the top of the list and click add picture. Now select the album from which you want to pick the photo, customize it however you like and click on choose. Tap on save then, and that's it. As you can see, the photo is applied. At least it should be applied right now. Let me reopen it. Okay, so let's do it one more time. Just the same operation. Okay, so here it is. As you can see, it is added. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.